Most companies think they're doing performance marketing, when in reality, a lot of it is not performance, it's just waste. Yes, campaigns are running, the dashboards look healthy, the conversions are coming in, but in reality, companies could do just as well without so much spend, and they don't even realize it. Because what looks like performance marketing is often what I would call zombie marketing. It looks alive, but it's not actually driving new growth. The problem is most teams don't even realize or see what's going wrong, because what they're measuring isn't the same as what's actually driving results. 1. The common misconception. Ask most marketers what performance marketing is, and you hear words like search optimization, Facebook ads, paid channels, conversion rates, and so on. None of that is wrong, but it's incomplete. Because performance marketing isn't about having good metrics on Facebook or Google. It's about whether what you do is driving real incremental results and helping your business to grow. 2. The hidden problem. Here is where things start to break down. You probably heard about attribution modeling before. You know, giving channels credit where it's due. However, the models the industry was built on are becoming less and less reliable due to privacy changes, tracking limitations, and pure platform bias. So what happens? Lots of teams optimize on what the platforms are saying, data that looks precise and feels reliable, although it's not. This leads to decisions that feel right but don't actually drive growth. Here's why zombie marketing is so dangerous. Because the metrics still look good, but you are not really moving things forward. Everything looks like it's working, but you are optimizing for something that just isn't effective. That's how you end up scaling campaigns that look great, but they are not helping your business. I see that a lot with paid search. You see the numbers going in the right direction, conversions going up, ROAS looking great, but when you really pay attention, you see that all that performance is coming from brand terms. It's people already ready to buy and searching for a product. That is, you paid what you get anyway, regardless of spend. 3. What performance marketing actually is. Okay, so what is performance marketing anyway? At its core, performance marketing is about one thing: driving incremental, measurable business outcomes. It's not clicks, it's not likes, it's not better than benchmark CPM, because those are really easy to measure, but they don't always reflect what actually matters: revenue, profit, and growth. And to do that, you need more than just platform-level metrics. You need to understand what's driving results, what's incremental, and where your budget is actually making a difference. 4. The gap between tracking and truth. This is where many teams get stuck. There's a big difference between what platforms report and what's actually happening in the business. For example, in the ad platforms, your campaigns might be showing strong ROAS. But what if most of those sales would have happened anyway, regardless of advertising? If that's the case, while it looks as if performance marketing is working, it's not necessarily creating incremental value. So again, your marketing looks alive, but it's not actually creating any new growth. The real question is, how do you tell the difference between marketing that's actually driving growth and marketing that just looks like it is? 5. What better performance looks like. So what does real performance marketing looks like today? It means combining different approaches. Attribution for directional insights, MMM for big picture impact, and constant testing to validate what's actually working. Instead of relying on a single data point, you get several, building a more complete understanding of performance. And that's what allows you to make smarter decisions and scale what actually works. Performance marketing isn't about measuring what happens. It's about understanding what causes results, and it's about planning how to make things even better. Because the goal is not to make your marketing look alive, it's to make sure it actually is.